beloved, I knew you. Ryspay, Abdakadyrov.
Thoughts congeal, a dagger plunged into my feeling, longing for you. When I was growing pale, like a white wave, like a white storm, appeared to me my angel. Like a white wave, like a white flash, appeared to me my longs for not the shallow but the deep. The north wind's cold covers my body. Be my fortress, be a white flame, my angel. Reaching for the glimmering goal behind me, but as I go, I get caught in a web of sorrow. Landing on my eyelid, becoming my eye hope. Stay by my side, stay by my side. Searching for you without a break. I stand now with a frown